The Cohort Analysis dashboard groups your customers by the month they were acquired. It tracks how much revenue each group generates over time. Use it to see whether customers you acquired months ago are still spending, and whether your ad spend against them stays efficient. Go to Dashboards and select Cohort Analysis. You can choose between two analysis types. Marketing Efficiency Ratio Analysis measures total marketing efficiency across every channel. Return on ad spend analysis isolates paid advertising specifically. If your blended marketing efficiency ratio looks weak, but return on ad spend looks strong, that gap usually points to organic or retention revenue that isn't being captured. Set your date range to 12 or 18 months, depending on whether you need a fast recent read or a longer historical view. Each row in the cohort table is one acquisition month. Columns show how that group's revenue developed over time. The heat map shades each cell by revenue contribution, so darker means higher revenue. Scan the shading first to spot strong and weak cohorts before reading individual numbers. Watch for revenue that holds steady or grows in later months. That signals strong retention. Watch for revenue that drops sharply after month 1 or 2. That signals one-time buyers or a targeting problem worth investigating. That's cohort analysis. Use it anytime you need to know whether your customers are worth what you paid to acquire them.